Yours already?
That's it, guys. Meron tayo dito fries. Ang ating fries. Yum, yum. And yung ating fish prosperity burger. Ay, Diyos, yung Big Mac. And yung favorite natin na sundae. Sinisipon ako ngayon, guys. Ito yung isang. May coke din tayo. And juice. Pineapple, this one. Biko, pineapple.
Which one?
The other one, pineapple.
We got pineapple.
This one ba? The drinks.
No, you want that one.
Coke? This is the other one, or Coke?
Coke is yours.
Mm.
That one you want because one set, that one. You don't take this one.
Kaya I want Coke.
Because that one you want one set.
The partner of the fish.
Prosperity.
Sinisipon ako, guys. Malamig kasi dito ngayon, guys. Umuulan. So, laki na ng kanilang double fish prosperity, guys. Oh. More on sibuyas and black pepper yung nakikita ko. Ito yung double cheese, guys. Oh. Double cheese burger.